comfort of others, no smoking.
You take this every time we come in.
Not this, I take that side.
We're turning now to Disney.
I'm having fun. Leave me alone.
Garden Gallery Restaurant.
I am. You guys are always making fun of me. Michael, please sit down. Michael, please sit down right there. Thank you. Now you can look out this window right here. Or you can sit over there and talk.
I'm looking out this window.
Good boy.
Which hotel? Grand Floridian.
Enjoy Christmas specialties at
Grand Floridian.
Or dine on pasta and seafood at Flagler's in the main
Where are we
building.
going?
I want you to carry this roll for me, okay?
To those guests who just joined us, welcome aboard.
Right there.
For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please.
That is a beautiful hotel. What'd you vote for?
Each night here on the Seven Seas Lagoon, we present our electrical wonder pageant. This shimmering musical parade features King Neptune and other creatures.
Now, how was the Polynesian when you stayed down there? Was that really nice?
Our next stop is Disney's Contemporary Resort. If there are guests waiting to board your car, please move across to make room for everyone. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you. To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our Highway of the Sky and hope you've enjoyed the Magic Kingdom.
What's the next train
During
that's
our
coming?
travels, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors.
Silver.
For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
Don't look, Michael. What
Our
color's
next stop
coming?
is Disney's Contemporary Resort.
He vaporized, he doesn't know. I mean, pink. Coral. That's the monorail going by really, really fast. Yeah, we know that. We just saw it. Yeah, well, there you go. We're hoping to get on Space Mountain on Saturday.
Disney's Contemporary Resort is a popular site for meetings and conventions.
There's Tomorrowland.
Fine dining, visit the Grand Canyon Concourse. At the top of the
They're putting up Christmas
Disney
stuff.
Station. For those of you standing,
What are they doing
hold on to the handrails.
Contemporary?
Stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and
Look on your side. I'm trying to.
if you're disembarking,
Well,
gather
stick
your
your head out the
belongings
window.
and watch your head
see?
down.
Just what I said. See?
All children by the hand. This is Disney's Contemporary
Oh, shoot, that's
Resort.
been there for years.
For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is the
Uh-huh.
Transportation and Ticket Center.
And we are entering.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're exiting, watch your head and staff band. Please assist small children
Stay
by
there.
the hand. If there are guests waiting to board your car, please World Monorail to EPCOT Center. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the
Why don't you
doors.
wait? Oh, we go and get Space Mountain.
No smoking, please. Thank you.
Did you wind it? No.
As we turn south, you can catch a glimpse of the spires of Space Mountain and Magic Kingdom. Family vacationing.
We can show you in the front.
Color like that right there.
Located in the
Then
Magic
you put that
Kingdom
on to the next one.
and Earth
Change that
Station
degree
at
and
Epcot
change
Center.
that away from you.
Oh, that's great.
Did you get it? Yeah.
That's really neat.
So if you go over your whole point where you're supposed to stop, and the train takes over. It's right down here at the entrance. They was filming out here early this morning. That's why a lot of us had to come in early because they was filming out here on the monorail and stuff like that.
Coming up behind Spaceship Earth is Earth Station, featuring new information systems developed especially to assist your Epcot Center visit. To the opposite side of our train is Universe of Energy, presented by Exxon. On the roof are solar cells that help power our exploration of the world of energy inside the attraction. Next is the future side of the Wonders of Life pavilion, to be presented by Metropolitan Life, which will utilize amazing new ride technology to take guests on a remarkable journey through the human body. Then comes Horizons, presented by General Electric, where you'll experience 21st century living on land, at sea, and out in space. In World of Motion, presented by General Motors, you'll get a whimsical and informative look at the past and future of transportation. Coming into view is World Showcase. Directly across from us on the far shore of World Showcase Lagoon is our host pavilion, the American Adventure, presented by American Express and the Coca-Cola Company. The glass pyramids are the gateways to your journey into imagination, presented by Kodak. You can also express your own creativity here in the ImageWorks and take a 3D journey with Michael Jackson, starring as Captain EO. Next is The Land, presented by Kraft, where you'll discover creative partnerships between people and the land around the world. At the Living Seas, presented by United Technologies, you can descend via hydroloader to Sea Base Alpha and navigate the largest, most spectacular coral reef environment ever created by man. Along the inside of the circle we have made around Future World is Communicore, where you can get your hands on the future and take a behind-the-scenes look at the amazing computers that help...
Hey, we've almost made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I have hundreds of great videos on this channel. I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.